In this tutorial, I'll show you how to transfer your sensitivity settings from Valorant to Aimlab. It's a straightforward process that anyone can do. First, open Valorant and navigate to the settings. Under the General section, find the mouse settings. Here, you'll see your sensitivity value. Make a note of this value or simply copy it. Next, open Aimlab. Aimlab is a software designed for aim training, and it supports various game profiles. Go to the game settings within Aimlab. Look for the option called Game Profile and Sensitivity. Select Valorant as the game profile. Now, input the sensitivity value you noted from Valorant into Aimlab. Ensure that you enter the exact same value. Once you've done this, your Valorant sensitivity will be copied over to Aimlab seamlessly. That's all there is to it. Now you can train your aim in Aimlab with the same sensitivity settings as Valorant.